Schatz, Metanomics Health. Early detection of heart failure using a metabolic biomarker.
Good morning, everybody. I would like to talk about heart failure, which is a deadly disease. Heart failure has the same 5-year survival rate as metastatic cancer, and it accounts for approximately 21 billion spendings in healthcare every year, mostly driven by high hospitalization costs. Due to the association with aging population and detrimental lifestyle, it is mainly an issue for the industrialized world. However, talking about heart failure, what is actually heart failure? Here, I do have a model of a human heart. This is a myocard, the heart muscle. If it relaxes, it's filled with blood. Afterwards, if it's contracted, it ejects the blood into the bloodstream, supplying the cells of the body with oxygen and nutrition. However, talking about heart failure, what is the issue? Here we do have two different possibilities. Either we have a stiff, unflexible myocard, which is not sufficiently filled when relaxed. However, the ejection works perfectly. On the other side, we do have a dilated ventricle, which can perfectly be filled. When it contracts, there is a blood level remained, and in both cases, insufficient amount of blood is supplied for the body. Heart failure develops over stages, starting with asymptomatic stage, followed by a symptomatic phase. Current heart failure diagnosis mainly takes place in the symptomatic stadium. However, it is well known that treatment of asymptomatic heart failure patients is beneficial and will increase overall survival. We believe that this should be changed. With a new biomarker, we enable the early detection of asymptomatic heart failure in order to prevent the development of symptomatic heart failure. Why now is metabolomics so well suited to do this job? Metabolomics, the sum of all the short little molecules which you can identify, lipids, sugars, can do this because we are what we eat. Metabolomics represents perfectly the current human phenotype and is ideally suited to reflect the human nutritional status. By that, and combining this with other known biomarkers, we have a holistic overview about the phenotype of the human, and this allows for accurate early diagnosis. Thanks.